Okay, so here we are with the 69 TBird turn signal switch with tilt, with cruise control, with horn. And what we're dealing with here is riveted contacts. These contacts here have a spade lug terminal attached to the wire. It goes around these little copper rivets, which are actually the contacts inside the switch. What we're dealing with here is a problem where the plastic is shrunk, causing these terminals to actually be loose on the rivets. So using a special technique, we are going to make this conductivity absolutely positive by soldering it. So we'll do that here in just... Okay, so the technique involves first actually cleaning the contacts with a, what I'm using here is a wire brush on the end of a Dremel tool to make sure that this is absolutely clean, clean, clean. And then I've got a little bit of hydrochloric acid on the end of this little brush right here, and we're going to just go ahead and put a little hydrochloric acid on it. That will etch the copper and the bronze contact, because when we go to solder this solder has to go immediately. Otherwise, it's going to melt this plastic around here and cause the whole thing to be the contact to be mispositioned. We don't need that. Okay, this solder job has to be extremely quick. I've actually already done it here, but you can see my pencil soldering tip is absolutely copper, water break free connection. And I've gone in here and just touched it, and then pulled away very quickly, added the solder into it, and you can see I've completely connected the end of the rivet to the terminal on this one here, right, this one only. Now it's done. I mean, now we have conductivity between the rivet and the press component there. They are dissimilar metals, although the contact itself is copper and the spade lug pickle is bronze. There is some minor half reaction between those two in atmosphere that can cause a non-conductivity, which of course was the exact case and the reason for failure in the switch here in these primary contacts here. Because the hazard switch is related to the turn signal switch here, we have to make sure that all these contacts are correct. So we're stepping ahead of the game here by soldering every contact ring terminal on the unit. Well, there we go. There's the soldered joints. We're just cleaning them off here a little bit with soap and water because, of course, I did have acid on there, as well as the various different fluxes and what have you. So, oh, look how shiny and clean they are. Nice conductivity now between the rivets and the spade lug terminals in all spots. Did that over here too. Make sure that everything is conductive to good electric transfer. Well, that's it. Now I got to put this sucker back together. See you.